Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the flashlight board assembly on the Google Pixel 6 Pro mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed to the repair, which you can find in the description. The first step is to remove the LCD screen from the front. To remove the screen, it needs to heat gently around the screen edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the front screen side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once you feel the heating is enough, use a suction cup to lift the screen. And then insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the LCD screen. Be gentle in this process. The flex connector cable is on the left hand side of the screen. Always use the edge of the plastic car pry tool to avoid internal damages. Next, lift the screen gradually from the right to the left side and hold it like an open book. Next, take out the connector bracket by undoing the screw. Next, disconnect the LCD connector plug from the board. Now you can free the screen from the body. Next, use a pry tool or tweezer to pull out the LCD frame bracket. Gently unplug clips on the frame. Please be gentle in this process, since the bracket is quite fragile. Next, take out the cover by undoing 5 screws and take out the charger port bracket by undoing 2 screws. Also, gently pry the graphite tapes from the battery, which are attached to the cover. Next, take out the cover using a pry tool. Next, disconnect the battery plug. Next, disconnect the antenna plug. Next, free the graphite tape. Next, take out the battery from the body. Next, take out the bracket by undoing the screw. Next, pull out the antenna board from the body. Next, undo 2 screws to take out the camera bracket. Next, disconnect 3 camera connector plugs from the board. Next, gently pull out the camera module by undoing the screw. Next, undo 2 screws to pull out the earpiece module. Next, disconnect the camera flasher plug and the microphone plug. Next, take out the logic board from the body. First, undo 5 screws securing the logic board. Also, make sure the SIM tray is out. Next, gently pull out the logic board from the body. Next, apply some heat to soften the glue under the unit. For this, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Next, using a tweezer, gently pull out the flashlight assembly from the body. Next, place and secure the new flashlight assembly bracket to the body. Also, you can add some glue under the bracket before installing. Next, secure the logic board on the body. Be gentle in this process. Next, secure the SIM tray. Next, secure the logic board by adding 5 screws. Next, place and secure the earpiece module by adding 2 screws. Next, secure the flasher and microphone plugs to the board. Next, place and secure the rear camera module by adding the screw. Next, secure 3 camera connectors to the board. Next, secure the camera bracket by adding 2 screws. Next, place the antenna cable with the board and then secure the bracket by adding the screw. Next, place and secure the battery on the body. Next, secure the antenna cable connector. Next, place the graphite tape. Next, connect the battery plug. Next, place and secure the cover by adding 5 screws and the charger port bracket by adding 2 screws. Next, secure the LCD frame bracket by adding glue. Next, place and secure the LCD screen on the body. Turn on the device for testing. Once the testing completes, place the connector bracket and secure the screw. Next, before installing the LCD screen, ensure it has glue. If not, use B7000 glue on your double-sided LCD screen. Gently slide in the screen from the bottom to the top. Slightly apply pressure on screen edges. Finally, we are adding binding clips to fasten the LCD screen. Leave it for some time and remove it. If not, use some rubber band to tie the screen to the body. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.